Even if you exercise 5 days a week and eat 120 grams of protein daily to build your muscles, if you don't eat the right foods rich in important vitamins for muscle health, like magnesium, you still won't build muscle, especially as you age. Gym bros often tell you that the #1 thing you need to build muscle is eating high-protein foods and hitting the gym. But what if I told you that isn't entirely true? The #1 thing you need to build muscle is not just protein, but magnesium. Here's a secret most seniors don't know. Even if you take magnesium supplements, you still won't build muscle. That's because most supplements don't contain the additional vitamins and minerals found in natural food sources of magnesium. Seniors also make the mistake of taking too much magnesium in supplement form. But here's the truth. Taking high doses of supplements will not give you enough usable magnesium to build muscle. Seniors need at least 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium a day, and most supplements provide far less than that. That's why in this video, I'll reveal 3 natural food sources of magnesium that contain up to 10 times more magnesium than the average supplement. I'll start with the second best food, which you probably already have in your fridge, and then reveal the absolute best source that most people don't even consider. I'll also share 2 foods you should never combine with magnesium-rich meals if you want to beat sarcopenia and build muscle after 60. Number 1. Spinach. Before I explain how spinach provides natural magnesium, let's talk about why magnesium is so important for seniors. As we age, our muscles naturally tighten and lose their ability to fully relax. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can't properly recover after exercise. They stay partially contracted, like a fist that won't fully open. And when muscles can't relax, blood flow and nutrients can't reach them. This means your muscle building process stops. Seniors also need more magnesium than younger adults because their bodies don't absorb it as efficiently anymore. Magnesium is the key that unlocks relaxation, recovery, and muscle growth. So why spinach? Cooked spinach contains 157 milligrams of magnesium per cup, which is nearly 40% of what most seniors need daily. Even better, plant-based magnesium is absorbed 1.5 times more effectively than supplements. Spinach is also packed with folate and potassium, which reduce muscle inflammation and improve protein synthesis. That means your body can actually use the protein you eat more effectively. Research from Harvard followed 3,900 seniors for 4 years. Those who ate magnesium-rich leafy greens daily maintained significantly more muscle mass compared to those who didn't. For centuries, Mediterranean cultures used cooked spinach to combat what they called muscle weakness in the elderly, long before modern science proved them right. Preparing spinach is simple. Steam it for 2 to 3 minutes with a pinch of sea salt and lemon juice. For breakfast, make a spinach and feta omelet. For lunch, toss spinach into garlic Parmesan chicken with potatoes. For dinner, sauté spinach with shrimp and garlic butter, then serve over rice with lemon juice. But here's the truth. If you only eat spinach, you still may not gain muscle. You need to pair it with this next food. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain 150 to 170 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, about half of your daily needs. Their magnesium is chelated with amino acids, which directly supports muscle protein synthesis and strengthens your muscle fibers. They're also rich in zinc and phosphorus, minerals that optimize testosterone and speed up muscle repair. A recent study found that seniors who consumed pumpkin seeds daily improved grip strength by 23% and overall muscle function by 31%. Native American cultures have used pumpkin seeds for over 1,000 years to restore strength. To prepare them, roast at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes with sea salt and olive oil. When combined with spinach, pumpkin seeds create a powerful synergy. Spinach relaxes muscles, while pumpkin seeds provide long-lasting energy and repair. Number 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds contain 95 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, about 25% of your daily needs. Their magnesium is bound to omega-3 fatty acids, which strengthen your muscles' electrical signals and reduce cramping. They're also rich in calcium and protein, which optimize muscle contraction, repair, and recovery.
In one study, seniors who consumed chia seeds daily improved endurance by 19% and power output by 26%. The Aztecs used chia seeds over 500 years ago for sustained strength during battle. To prepare them, soak in water for 15 to 20 minutes until they form a gel. This is crucial to avoid constipation and maximize absorption. When you combine chia seeds with spinach and pumpkin seeds, you unlock a triple-action muscle support system. Omega-3s boost absorption, spinach relaxes muscles, and pumpkin seeds provide sustained energy. Try chia in overnight oats, smoothies, or sprinkled over steamed vegetables before dinner.
But here's the problem. It doesn't matter how much spinach, pumpkin seeds, or chia seeds you eat if you pair them with the wrong foods. There are two common foods that can wipe out all their benefits and even damage your muscles. The first is soda. Sodas contain phosphoric acid, which steals magnesium from your body before your muscles can use it. In fact, it can pull magnesium out of your muscles and weaken them. A 2020 study found that seniors who drank soda with magnesium foods only absorbed 45% of the magnesium compared to those who didn't. Worse, soda creates harmful compounds that damage your muscles and joints. I once worked with a 65-year-old woman who drank diet soda with every meal. She gained no muscle despite eating magnesium-rich foods daily. When she stopped drinking soda, she gained nearly 2 pounds of muscle in just 2 weeks. If you want stronger muscles, avoid soda for at least 3 hours after magnesium-rich meals. Swap it for water with lemon or ginger tea.
The second dangerous food combination is high-sodium cereals, especially at breakfast. Even one serving can increase magnesium loss by up to 35%. Sodium forces your kidneys to flush out magnesium before your muscles can use it. In one study, seniors who ate high-sodium cereal within 2 hours of magnesium foods had significantly lower magnesium levels. The result? Weaker muscles and higher risk of sarcopenia. A 68-year-old teacher I worked with saw her strength improve by 18% and gained 1.2 pounds of muscle after just 4 weeks of switching from high-sodium cereal to low-sodium oatmeal. So, if you're serious about building muscle after 60, avoid soda and high-sodium cereals with your magnesium meals. Now, I have a question for you. Which of these harmful combinations have you been eating with your magnesium-rich foods? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one.